I'm hell hungry, so let's go and eat something. So we are here in a stall where they prepare you with some Maggi. Yes, now heading to Atal Tunnel. Hi everyone, after visiting Rohtang Pass, we are heading to Atal Tunnel and the Solang Valley. I really hope you have seen the previous video, so let's go.
ये भैया वैसा जैसे बंदे जो बुद्धिस्ट धर्म वाले ना उनको हिमाचल में कहीं भी जगह मिल सकती है। वैसे आप जाओ जगह जगह लोगे ना आपको नहीं मिलेगी, आपको यहाँ पे एक इंच जगह नहीं मिलेगी।
So we are almost near the Atal Tunnel. So I took a halt in front of Atal Tunnel Road and I came back to Chandra Bridge so that I could take few pictures. After once you enter the tunnel, you are not allowed to stop your vehicle. Oops, my phone. Can you just imagine how much of patience it must have taken to build it properly?
प्रेम पाठ पढ़कर के तुम नाराज ना होना।
So I am at Solang Valley right now. So I decided to try zip line. Scary. Now we are almost done. अरे 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 And to return back to the place where I had started, I have to go again up to the another end and start from there once again. It's so exciting! Ha, Pinduch. Too many steps to cover. Let's go so that we can get back to it. Start. Too strong. रुको भैया रुको.
रोप नहीं पकड़ना है, इसको पकड़ना
हाँ हाँ.
है। इसको पकड़ो।
आते वक्त दोनों ही ऐसे पकड़ के आ गई थी.
ठीक है।
नहीं हो रहा. हाँ. वहाँ पे जो स्पीड ब्रेकर रखे हो ना वो बहुत गंदा है भैया.
क्या हो गया मैम?
लग गया एक बार मेरे सर पे. थैंक यू. हाँ ये सब प्यारे हैं.
फिर ऐसे 60।
ये सब भी रखवा दो कहीं पे.
एक तो आगे रखना, इसको आगे सीट के नीचे रख ले।
नहीं बस नो।
We stayed 2 days in Manali and after that we checked out. So now I'm at Kasol. We were supposed to find ourselves with another place to stay and we found Kasol camps. Let's go and let me give you a tour of it. My favorite part is this place. I am with this whole place. Another thing is that there is a river which flows just by the side of this property. River Parvati. Our checking process have already been started. We are waiting for a while till our rooms get ready. Like seriously, it's been 2 days only and I already have drained all of my energies. I had trekked this waterfall in Manali barefoot and that actually got me sprain in my right leg. It hurts sometimes because the temperature here goes down so bad at the evening and the night that of course you know that it hurts when it's chill around. And I realized guys take more pictures than girls do. See, they all have got their GoPro, tripod and we all are here with all the devices that were needed to use in here. So I'm at Manikaran and guess what? They have hot spring in here which is naturally warm water. Here it is completely cool water and it is completely warm. Though you're not allowed to take bath over here as per I know. So I couldn't go and experience it. It's so scary the way they're driving. The driver drives like at a speed of 70 to 80 kilometers per hour on these half prepared streets. I mean, I am super scared, like seriously. So So yeah, the Himachal Pradesh vlog ends here, and I really hope you would love the video and do keep on watching my contents. Do like, share and subscribe.